Welcome back. In this video we are going to learn about image. So let's create a rectangle, a simple rectangle like this, and currently it is filled with gray color. So it is solid now, but I want to replace this solid with the image. So I'm gonna click on this drop down menu and I'm gonna choose this image, and you can see we get this pattern like chessboard. So from here you can choose a image. So if I click on this, it will redirect to my folder. So from here I can choose a different images. So let's say I will choose this one. So this is the image from a Squid Game. Currently it is very popular in all over the world. If you want to watch this series, you can watch it on the Netflix. So you can see the by default it is in fill. So what is fill? So let's say where I have this shape, and when I resize it, you can see image is adjusting according to this shape. Next one is fit. So what fit does is that let's say when I like resize my container, then you can see the shape of image is not changing, only the shape of container is changing. So this is how you can use a fit. The next one is crop. So from crop you can crop your image like other softwares like Photoshop and all that, like this. And if I close this, you can see the image is cropped now. And if I go into again this fill, so I can crop this image again like this. Okay, and the next one is title. So what title is does that it will repeat the image according to the shape. You can see here, let's say I resize my container like this, and you can see the image is repeating itself according to the size of that container, like this. It kind of looks cool. You can see the infinite pattern over here. Okay, so those are some options you can play with it. So next option, currently let's set it into fill. Okay, it is filled now. And if you want to rotate this image, you can do it from here, from this rotate button. If I click on this, image will be rotated at 90 degree. And remember one thing, only the image is gonna rotate, not the shape. If I like make a shape like this, if I rotate it again, you can see only the image is rotating, not the shape. If you want to adjust your image, we get options like exposure, contrast, saturation, temperature, tint, highlights, and shadow. If you use the Adobe Lightroom, then you might know all this. So there are like three ways you can import your images on the your project. Okay, let's create a one frame, a desktop frame like this. And if I move this image on the desktop, then you can see the image is placed now, but I have to adjust it manually. So let's create some shapes like ellipse for profile. Let's say you have to like add image in this, so you can do that using place image. You can go into shape and you can choose a option called place image, and you can also use shortcuts like Ctrl Shift K. So I'm going to select this one, place image, and click on open. And you can see image is on my cursor, and if I click on this circle, image is gonna place on that circle, and also the same with this polygon. And if you want to make changes in it, you can select this circle and go to fill, and you can change all the options like crop, title, fit, and all that. Let's say this image profile is kind of a little bit upward, so we can adjust it like this. And the next method is to import your image, is that just drag and drop. Select your image and just drag it on your Figma software like this, and you can play with it. You can adjust it wherever you want like this. So those are all things you can do with images. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.